Hi, I'm EJ Hart and I'm doing the Swirled Rag Rug, Part 3. I'm going to skip the next red and the next beige. And I'm going to form another slip knot with another ball of red yarn. I'm going to single crochet onto the first stitch. I'm going to put another single crochet into the same stitch, 2 single crochet in one, and then it's going to be 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then I'm going to repeat until I reach the end of the red, the other red color. So the next stitch is 1 single crochet, the next stitch is 1 single crochet, the next stitch is 1 single crochet, and the next stitch is 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. There's 1, 2. The next stitch is 1 single crochet, the next stitch is 1 single crochet, the next stitch is 1 single crochet, the next stitch is 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. There's 1, 2. The next stitch is 1 single crochet, the next stitch is 1 single crochet, the next stitch is 1 single crochet, the next stitch is 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. There's the second one. The next stitch is 1 single crochet, the next stitch is 1 single crochet, the next stitch is 1 single crochet, the next stitch is 2 single crochet. There's 1, and 2, and the next stitch is 1 single crochet, now I'm going to pull up on the yarn, pull up the loop so it won't come out. I'm going to skip this next red right here, and I'm going to go into the beige. So I'm going to pick up the beige loop, so a good guide to go by when you're doing a round rug is for the first row you do the single crochets all around the circle, and then in the second row you do 2 single crochets in each stitch. Row 3 is 2 single crochets in the first stitch and then 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and then you repeat that all the way around. Row 4, it's 2 single crochet in the first stitch, then 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then you'll repeat that. Then row 5, it's 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then you'll repeat that. Row 6 is 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and then you'll repeat that. And then that number just goes up from there, so the next row will be 5 stitches, and then repeat. The next row after that will be 6 stitches, and then repeat. And then sometimes it don't always work that way, and you'll have to modify it just a little bit. Mine's getting a little wavy, so I'm not going to put as many increases on this round. I'll put maybe 2 increases on the whole round. Mostly I'm going to put in 1 single crochet into each stitch. Now, if yours was curling up, then you would want to add some increases. So you would add more of the 2 single crochet in one. So if yours is getting wavy, then you can use this method as well, just 1 single crochet in each stitch. Or you could just keep using the same one, which is 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and then repeat. Or if it's curling up, then you can add more increases, more of the 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. And you want to space those out evenly so it'll be perfectly round. So I'm going to speed this up so we can get to the next section. So right here I am putting in an increase. To make sure it's not curling up and getting too tight. So now I'm just going to pull up on the loop so it won't come out. And I'm going to skip the first and the second red. I'm going to pick up the beige loop and I'm going to crochet the same pattern as I did with the other beige. I'm going to skip the video to the next section. Okay, I'm done with the beige. I'm going to skip that next one and go into the next red color. I'm going to switch up the pattern just a little bit because I'm doing too many increases right here in the same area and it's starting to get wavy right there in just this area. So it'll be 1 single crochet in the next 5 stitches and then 2 single crochet and then repeat is the guideline to go by. But I'm not going to put in as many increases. Basically, I'm just going to put in 1 single crochet into each stitch and then I might put in 2 increases because mine is still a little wavy. Okay, I'm going to speed this up a little bit. I'm going to put in an increase right here. I'm going to pat it down and make sure it's laying flat. Okay, I'm going to skip the next beige, that next red. I'm going to go into that next red, the second red. I'm going to do the same thing as I did over on the other side. Consider subscribing to Hook and Loops. Just click the icon and click subscribe. And thank you for watching.